crawfish, and the line isn't as bad as last time, but it's still pretty bad. I feel like the wait's gonna be like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. I really hope I get to have some crawfish today. I need to get it out of my system at least once, and then I'll let the lines kind of calm down. I'll give it a few weeks and then we can come again. Alright, so little update. I am almost into the parking lot of this restaurant. I think it's about to be an hour since I've been in line. It's a beautiful sunny day, you guys. I love it. Is that lighting better? I hope it's better. Okay, so look at this line, which is freaking crazy. I can't wait for George to get home. I miss him so much. So to kill time, I've just been on my phone playing this game. What is it called? Panda Pop? But it's so cute. I love it. So there you go. You have to rescue Mama Bear's little pandas right there. So cute. So let me try to beat this level. This game is so hard. Now I don't want to give up. I was like at the back of the line like an hour ago, and I was there for like 10 minutes and no one was behind me. I was like, oh, I don't think anybody else is gonna come. Look at this freaking line. It goes all the way to where I was at, past the bridge. And we're moving. Oh yeah, it's way past the bridge.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Your white ticket, please. Thank you so much. $55.69. There you go, your combo with your sides.
It's heavy.
There you go. Thank you so much.
Here you go.
Have a great one, ma'am.
You
Thank
too.
you.
Alright, you guys, I'm home and look at this. We have corn, sausage, potatoes, crawfish, and shrimp. And this year I just noticed that they're peeled. The shrimp are freaking peeled. I am about to have the best meal of my life. I haven't eaten anything all day. And I just finished making B-Love's Smackalicious sauce.
Okay, could I get a grande toasted white mocha frappuccino? A grande caramel ribbon crunch frappuccino?
Anything else?
That's it.
I'll see you at one.
Thank you.
How were those crawfish?
Oh, they were great. They were delightful. Especially that sauce you made, girl.
Sauce. Shout out to B-Loves in the mukbang community. I just found y'all last week. And I have been obsessed. Just ask him.
Oh my god. For real.
I've been talking about lobster tails and shrimp
Crazy.
and snow crab. Oh my god.
I'm craving snow crab. Girl, you've never had snow crab.
Never had.
You've never seen snow or crab in the same place before.
Oh my god. It's so good. They just make it look so good. So we are actually on our way to go grocery shopping.
We haven't gone grocery shopping in a long time.
Oh my god. Since Thanksgiving. Since freaking Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
Who do we think we are?
Oh, you got Starbucks too?
Hey.
A vanilla bean frappuccino.
11.30. I feel like it's the same price every time, no matter what we get. Ooh.
I feel like our orders never take more than 2 minutes when we get to the actual window. How come it takes everybody else 20 minutes to get their stuff?
Yum. This caramel ribbon crunch, it's good.
It is.
What the? There are no strawberries. There's only blueberries. Does anybody else go grocery shopping at 10 o'clock at night?
I wouldn't come. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't come.
Wow. It's all my fault. Because of my job.
Yeah, we would have been here earlier if we didn't work today.
Yeah, for sure. Two of them, right?
Yeah, what the heck?
You drive me crazy. How's it go? Do you know? You drive me crazy. Yes, I'm so excited. I'm meant to be crazy. It feels alright. Being crazy with you, it makes me feel alright. I don't know how to word that.
Why are we food shopping? There's no one here.
Right? Does anybody else go food shopping at 10 o'clock?
I don't know. Can you shut up? The tea that saved me last week from that stomach ache. Coffee heaven over here.
Yes.
You just need to show off. He almost broke his arms, guys.
No.
Right, it's ready for you.
It is not Christmas anymore, everybody. It is grocery haul time. Yes. All right. So we're gonna start off with some tomatoes on the vine still because that means they're extra fresh. Potatoes, russet potatoes, jumbo russet potatoes. It is 11:16 at night, guys. I'm sleepy. I'm tired. Am I always sleepy and tired in these?
Always. Pep it up, pep it up.
Should I like?
Give me 10.
I'm gonna act
Give me-
like I'm hyped. 2 spaghetti, 2 Pregos, because we're gonna make spaghetti this week. Well, my wife is gonna make spaghetti this week. Yes. Hello, beautiful, lovely wife. We also have Parmesan cheese for the spaghetti. Yes. And we have Kraft Taken. Not single. Chorizo. I haven't done one of these grocery hauls in forever, right?
Like a month and a half.
That's why I feel good. Yeah, we got some lettuce, large eggs, got some bread. You gonna make sandwiches?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, there's lots of tortillas in here.
Well, good.
Well, good. We got some extra coffee because we have lots of coffee, but we needed more coffee. Just in case, you guys. Just in case there's no more coffee, we have coffee. Like if the store ran out of coffee, we can sell the coffee. No.
Moving on.
And we have some tea, because we do tea now. Or she does tea now. I don't do tea. Whatever.
You've been wanting to. You're so jealous of me when I do it.
Moving on. And then I got long grain rice. And some more long grain rice, because how else are you going to eat spaghetti with long grain rice? Green beans, turkey breast. Can you stop? This is my video.
You guys, this is George every aisle at the grocery store.
And then we got some Italian hot sausage. There are no meatballs. So we gotta make meatballs out of these sausages. Alright guys, so I'm just letting the meatballs kind of reduce in the sauce.
But the spaghetti's all done and I just have to marry them both together. And I also made us some garlic bread. I hope it's good. You're dozing off?
Mm-hmm. No, it's dozing off.
How come you haven't turned on the tree today?
Christmas is gone.
It's over. Finally hit him.
I'm sad that I have to put the tree away. Spaghetti's almost ready? Oh, yes.
Oh my god. This is gonna be delicious. You don't even know. I thought it didn't fit, but it fits just right. I really need a bigger one though.
Yeah.
And you guys, this isn't just for tonight. This is meal prepped for the rest of the week.
It's a spaghetti mukbang.
Can you imagine?
Heck nah, it's too much spaghetti.
I would make so much spaghetti just to have it on the table looking like that. Okay, let's let it rest for a little bit longer. Whew! Look at that. Look at that.
It's very nice. What is that? What the heck is that?
We came for coffee, you guys.
Why are you laughing with strangers, Catherine?
I wasn't laughing with a stranger.
That blonde-headed guy?
Okay.
Right now.
When? Like
Right now.
I was laughing by myself.
And now it's your best camera call.
First of all, don't try to start stuff because I can easily text your boyfriend.
We're gonna talk right now. Man, you can't get. I'm gonna ask you to leave. I can't.
First of all, my dad said coffee.
Where's the coffee? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is.
Where is it?
Oh, it must be in here. Somewhere.
My
in
mom
there.
said he wanted.
Lemon coffee.
So who wins?
Coffee line.
We came for snacks.
You wanna try these? They're even spicier.
Hey guys, we should go outside and play something else someday.
It's dark.
I know.
Okay.
Hey guys, vlog
traded
takeover.
I traded this red one
Catherine,
for your
she
red-
was
for your green-
too busy twerking. There she
No, I
is.
traded this red one for your
In the
green one,
dark.
right?
George.
Yes.
George,
I want
he just-
something else because I need
He wants to
something else
trade
to trade
stuff,
with
but no one
someone
wants to
else.
trade with him. We don't want him to build houses.
You're not even.
Eileen is depressed. And Catherine is telling me I am not recording right.
You're not.
Follow me on Twitter, Twinkle Twinkle Patrick Star.
So we just got home and we just took a shower. Separate. Don't even get it twisted. Anyway.
She was more than welcome to join me. But, you know.
I didn't want to. I need my space. Okay?
Yeah.
So we are heating up some spaghetti. Ooh. You down to watch Star Wars? Why do we like playing Monopoly so much? Oh, by the way, George won because he
I
cheated.
did not. Oh my God.
He cheated so hard.
I don't want. Look, I don't even want.
He had like $20,000.
did
I'm
it.
like, from where?
I did
We're
it.
all broke, but you have so much money?
I did
How does that even work?
I didn't cheat.
And just plan together. We haven't really had time to just sit down and plan. Oh my God. We haven't had any time. You know what it is?
I can't talk.
We haven't really had any time to sit down and plan our life together the next year. We don't need the Christmas tree yet.
Yes, we do. Maybe tomorrow.
No, can we plan tonight?
Yeah.
Maybe just a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
He's like, I just want to go to sleep. It is late, you guys.
11:54, guys. 11:54.
That's all your fault. We didn't have to play no Monopoly.
That's true. We didn't have to play Monopoly. It is my fault.
Jump.
Well.
Love you.
So if you guys like this video, please leave a like and a comment down below. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.
We don't have to end this vlog yet.
Oh, sorry. I forgot. It's not Vlogmas.
It's not Vlogmas.
girl, I know you're not wearing that jacket. She must be out of her mind. It is colder today than it was on Christmas.
I didn't believe you.
And windy. Houston, we have a problem. So, it is the second week of 2020 and we have no vlog footage.
Nowhere to go.
And nowhere to go. What if we go to Kima and eat saltgrass steak?
That actually sounds really good.
Yeah, and then we get a table by the water.
Interesting.
We'll try it. We'll try it.
Also this week, I've been obsessed with fruit roll-ups. Just out of nowhere.
Crazy. Crazy.
So good. We're in my little addiction lately. And they get me wired. Like,
They get her crazy. You're a psycho.
I don't know. I never thought these had a lot of sugar. And I guess they do. What are these?
Range red leaf.
Are these jalapenos?
Yeah. Jalapeno. Eat it.
Stuffed with shrimp? Do I need to dip it?
You can.
Oh, it's spicy.
But is it good?
It's alright.
You and me, we gon' fight.
I should let it cool down.
Don't be hating on my asparagus. You got your own little, asparagus right there. Oh yeah. Time to eat. Hello,
Why are you
look like
so
close.
close?
I'm not that close. On the camera, it's not that close. Are you cold?
Yeah.
Wow.
This was a good move.
I told you. Good idea to wear that jacket, huh?
Look down. Oh, my chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It was packed in that restaurant.
Yeah, it
And that
was.
lady cackling.
She was like,
People in that restaurant are probably looking at you crazy.
So that is the end of weekly vlog number 54. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and comment down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Peace.